Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick demo to show how to create a dashboard. For the demonstrations, I'm going to use this company called Dreamhouse. It's a realtor company, and this dashboard is a dashboard that we're going to be used by the sales managers and the realtors when they have their meeting, so they can see numbers such as the number of properties sold in the last 30 days, high value residentials, and etc. For the demo, I already created some reports that I'm going to use as a component. Now, I'm not going to go over on how to creating each of these reports because on the video that I made previously, I already went over how to create reports. So we're going to just go ahead and move on to the part where we're going to create the dashboards. Okay, we click the dashboards and then click the new dashboards here. We're going to name that sales meeting and to be used during sales meeting. Here we can select the folders. I'm going to put that in the Dreamhouse folder. Okay, well, create the first component here. The first component we're going to use is the high value residential. And let's keep this chart. We're going to use this chart in the report for the component. And what we're going to do next, we're going to sort this by the sum of the annual revenue. And to show impact of the high value residentials, then we're going to just sort this as descending. And we'll add this component. And the next thing we're going to do is going to size this according to however the layout that you prefer in your dashboards. I want to kind of have a bigger layout for this chart because it's a bigger chart and you're going to see the numbers. So I'm going to make it as 8 by 8. Okay. And the next component that we're going to create is based on the market. We are going to, I think, keep the same type of chart, the horizontal bar chart, because I don't want to be like too confusing. And then the next thing we're gonna change is the sorting here. Gonna sort it by some of the days on the market, and just to make an impact and just show how, the oldest property first. We're gonna sort that in descending. And let's go ahead and add that. And we're gonna just line up this chart really nicely underneath the first one. We can use the same size there about. Yep. All right. So the third components we're gonna create is the properties close in 30 days. I'm gonna use that report. We are going to use this type of chart, which is just highlight the sum of the numbers, the sum of the all the properties sold for the past 30 days. And let's add that. And let's move this one right here, and just want to have the same kind of size as the first one on the left right here. Okay, now for our last component, we're going to do portfolio help. And we are going to use the donut chart here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna use that so that you can highlight it different portions, like how many properties that are on 30 to 60 days old and how many that are over 60 days. they can clearly see that using this type of chart. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. All right, if that's right, and okay, and we're gonna hit save, click done, and give it a few seconds for all the data to refresh. Okay, so here's the dashboard that we're gonna use for the sales meeting. I just pretty much use all the reports that were required during the meeting and made it like so it's be visually appealing and the data can be used to um, as needed, whatever they gonna need the numbers for to do their measurements, and whether you guys meet their annual or monthly goals. But yeah, that's all it is. That's all the video for today for the dashboards. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. And I'm still gonna make other videos. Just stay in tune and subscribe to my channel for other Salesforce related video.